Spade is a 7.5-year-old pit bull that came from a negative environment where his owners kept him in a cage most of the time. His cage was in poor condition since it was filled with debris. Although he grew up in poor conditions, Spade is now a lovable, playful dog thanks to the SPCA. He really just needs a good home. Spade would like to go to a home where he is the only dog in the household. He is only comfortable with children 12 years and older, so he would be perfect for a family with older children. Spade is a part of an obedience training program, so he is properly trained to be part of a home. Most importantly, he is a lazy love bug and is obsessed with balls.